How to have soft, silky hands treatment. Learn how to make DIY satin hands, just like the Mary Kay version, with simple ingredients you probably already have. This homemade soft, silky hands treatment will take your hands from dry and rough to soft and silky in minutes. DIY hand treatment at home. Cold and dry weather has arrived. The chilly weather has brought dry skin along with it, and my hands have been especially hard hit. This DIY soft, silky hands treatment is the perfect antidote to dry winter skin, and you can make it with ingredients you already have in your kitchen. Here's what you need to make this luxurious treatment at home. Small bowl. 2/3 cup sugar. 2 tablespoons hand soap. Small jar or other container. How to make a DIY satin hands treatment. The first thing you'll need for DIY satin hands is the cleansing sugar scrub. Pour the sugar into a small bowl and top with the hand soap. Mix carefully until the sugar and soap are completely incorporated. It should be the consistency of a thick paste. Store in a small jar or other container. That's it, the cleansing sugar scrub is complete. Next, gather the remaining ingredients for your DIY soft, silky hands treatment. You'll need olive oil and your favorite hand lotion. Add a small amount of olive oil to the palm of one hand. Slowly rub your hands together, massaging the oil into your skin and cuticles. Pay particular attention to any dry areas. Next, place a small spoonful of the scrub in your palm. Rub your hands together, gently exfoliating with the scrub. Focus on any dry patches or rough areas. Rinse the scrub off your hands with warm water. Using a clean towel, dry your hands. Finish by applying your favorite lotion. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, please.